I have a cumulative amount of 45,000 to spend. And that was also on Shark Tank. I'm not. I am spending on myself. She is not spending on me. कुछ भी बोलता है.
Happy birthday, dear probably.
I'll say go for this. First tattoo together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Trebleen, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about what all gifts I've gotten for my birthday. जो मैंने खुद को गिफ्ट किए, जो बेसिकली मैंने जो भी स्पेंड किया मेरे बर्थडे पे, एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने, मेरी फैमिली ने, जिसने भी मुझे जो भी गिफ्ट किया है, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज़ इन दिस वीडियो. एंड जब से मैंने थोड़े थोड़े स्निपेट्स डाले थे ऑफ माई बर्थडे, अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज रिक्वेस्टेड for me to do this video, so this is literally for y'all, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to keep on adding clips of when we went to shop or when I went to buy whatever, ताकि आपको लाइन में समझ में आए what exactly happened when. So my birthday was on the 12th of March, and basically हमारे ग्रुप में birthday month is celebrated very nicely. So on the 1st of March, I got this very cute rose from Kapil. He sent it to me, and also from Rahul and from Dolly. So, and also from Aditi. Aditi actually sent me this hot chocolate. So all of that started, like the month started very nicely. After the 1st of March, the next thing that happened was Dolly gave me this letter, which basically says that I have to be available on the 2nd of March at 5:30 p.m. Hi guys, it's my birthday month. Today is the 2nd of March. So Dolly ने basically मुझे surprise किया yesterday with letter in which she told me कि I have to be ready today on the 2nd of March by 5:30, and she's taking me out somewhere जिसके बारे में मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है. So that is what is happening today. A couple sent me very cute these bourbon cube जैसे chocolate ice cream thing एक है जो Brooklyn Creamery में मिलता है, and I've tried it before and it's very tasty. And Rahul surprised me at home with my favorite Quadratini biscuits along with chocolates that were also sugar free, and वो जो whole क्या नाम है इसका, The Whole Truth करके जो ब्रांड का नाम है. I think that was also on Shark Tank. I'm not sure. And today I have gotten dressed because the mood of today was written on the letter, और उसमें clearly लिखा था that it's supposed to be very casual, cozy vibe. So that's why I've worn this very basic mango orangish top with like studs, and I've worn my denims from Freakins, my collection. I'm going to link the jeans in the description box so you all can check that out. And I am headed to Nishtha's house because we have a little work there, and wahan se I'm going to meet Dolly and we're going to have a fun day. Now this was a surprise. I had no clue what was happening. So I got ready, and then she came and she bought me flowers, and then she blindfolded me, and then we reached this place, and then she opened my eyes, and it was actually a tattoo studio. We've been, discussing about having a tattoo together since such a long time, and then when we reached there, we both decided to have, so basically that was the point. She was going to get a matching tattoo with me, which was so thoughtful. First tattoo together. Hey Ram I think that was actually one of the best gifts I've ever received, because it's just like a permanent thing, and this is what I got. It's so cute and pretty. And then on the 5th of March, Shrimai came here to surprise me for my birthday, because she's not going to be there on the day of my birthday, so she decided to come pehle to surprise me, and I had no clue about it. And we actually had so much fun because we went to shop, and that is where सबसे ज़्यादा खर्चा हुआ है मेरा. So she wanted to buy herself this Dior bag, and उसके दिमाग में था उसको क्या खरीदना था, and she's like, no, I think you should get something for yourself as well. And that is where I've spent my most amount of money I ever have one shot में. So we went to Dior, we went to YSL, we went to LV, And one more brand also we went to. We went to Geo World Plaza and वहाँ पे हमने shop किया. And every brand I was going to, I liked something, and so many of brands didn't have my belt size also, which was very disappointing because I actually thought I'll buy a wallet or I'll buy a belt. Since last time जब मैंने खरीदा था, I had bought the LV earrings, the hoops, which you guys loved. I made a video on my Instagram also. So I thought this time I'll buy something which was either a wallet or a belt, but nothing of that happened because as soon as I went there again, मैं पैसे देख के I was like, shit, let's not buy it. I don't want to spend again. And then literally she billed her bag. We left the showroom. And then she's like, what are you doing? Let's go back and buy it right now. Who are you making so much money for this, that? And then I decided, we went inside and we bought it. Everything, I think I like the LV wallet.
हाँ, me too.
Because I think I use wallet.
But I like the Gucci one also, but I don't think you will be able to
maintain
it.
And that one
Imagine I said that in Hindi. For you to know.
So I like the LV one. And what else did I like?
Dior earrings.
Yeah, those are very pretty.
क्या
Brands
तुम?
don't have my size, guys.
It's okay, don't feel bad.
I don't feel bad. It's just a problem.
It's their loss.
Dior, Gucci had my size.
Yeah.
Never coming back with her. She's made me spend so much money. दो चीज़ खरीदी मैंने guys. दो.
Expensive bestie.
That's true. Look at her bag and look at my bag.
It's not a bag, it's an accessory.
Look at the difference. Can you see the size difference? Can you? I'm going to shift all the money and cards there.
Yes.
Bondi Mart.
Black actually looks good, like it's your vibe, I feel.
Can you get that one here as well? This is too late. It doesn't matter.
Matter, yeah.
वैसे it's cute. ऐसे में तो वैसे भी कहीं लेके जाने वाली है.
Why not?
ऐसे I'll just hold this and go.
Huh. Let's say you're going to grocery shopping. You won't carry the entire setup and
Rather wear like a sling, like that kind of a sling.
ये बच्चे लोग slings क्यों लेते हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आता.
I like the zip one more, and then there's. Can you show me this one? And then there's this one. That's black inside as well. Confused girls.
I would say go for this.
Shrima has convinced me to spend so much money at this point.
It's her birthday, guys.
And I am spending on myself. She is not spending on me. But I like the black one more. I think this is so cute. I think you are the right person to
Shop with? Yes.
because Dolly is exactly like this. But with everyone else, it was just like, don't take this. Why are you spending so much? Why are you spending so much? My mom is gonna kill me.
What do you think my mom is going to say?
I'm not even going to tell your mom.
I will tell. It's okay, guys. If you're working hard every single day, you deserve a bag. Girls got her first LV bag.
This is the first thing that I purchased. This is the Dior earrings. ये मैं last time भी जब गई थी for the Fighters premiere, तभी me and Michu had gone there and I really liked it. I'm just going to show you all the pieces. I'm not going to wear every single thing because बहुत ज़्यादा time हो जाएगा वो सब में. But the packaging is so cute. It's so tiny. This is basically how it looks like. So ये आगे आता है और Dior पीछे कान के पीछे से दिखता है, but it's really pretty and very like it's like a very statement piece, very tiny, not my vibe at all. But the moment I wore it, I was like, this is really beautiful and I want to buy this. You guys like any of it, you can go and purchase it for yourself. And then after my first kharcha was done, we left and then Literally, I was like, I want to buy the wallet as well. So then we went to LV, which is right next to Dior, and वहाँ पे जैसे हम गए, we saw this wallet that I really liked, and then the people somehow were just not so attentive, and my shopping experience for a luxury purchase was just not good. Maybe मेरा personal experience था, but last time भी जब मैं गई थी तभी भी same ही experience था. They were just like, they would just follow me around, but they would not be attentive, or they would not help me pick something, or if they have something new in their collection, they would not just, you know, do what it takes to have that experience of a luxury item. Because if you're spending like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh rupees, you want to have that kind of an attention, as I got in Dior. Like the person, Marcio, I think that's his name, he was so good. Like he was telling us the history of the product, of how they made it, where can we get it, all of those sort of things, which was not there in LV. So, but in the end, I made my second purchase, which is this. I went to buy the wallet because I wanted like one wallet. एक wallet I think 3-4 साल तो ऐसे चल जाता है. But वॉलेट देखने गई, मैंने बिल कर दिया था. लिटरली उसने बिल कर दिया था. I literally just had to pay, and I saw this clutch kind of a thing which also had like a sling attached to it, like a gold sling. And I was like, what is this? Can you show? And he's like, yeah, this is also like a wallet only, but it has a sling. So I was like, why can't you just show it to us? It was right there. And then when he showed it to me, I loved it. It was nude in color. It also comes in a black and also in the staple brown color of LV. But as I said, they were not attentive. They weren't even interested. They didn't look interested. So this is what I got. It's such a cute piece. So this is like a wallet. It's a bigger size of a wallet. Like this is the size of it. It's pretty cute. It's like a nice sling. I can use it as it is. If I open it, the best part was this, because I don't like to take one bag everywhere. मुझे मेरा wallet हर bag में चाहिए होता है, तो I can just take it, I can put it in another bag and leave. So this literally had that. It comes with this extra wallet as well. I can put all my card holders here. There's space for cash as well. It comes with another pouch as well. इसके अंदर I can put like whatever makeup I want, or if I want to put like lipstick or perfume or anything. And it comes with a sling. Under say it looks like this. It has this maroon velvety finish, very luxurious. You can basically twist it and make it like a shoulder bag like this, or you can wear it as a sling. I'll just post like a picture of how it looks on me, but it's actually pretty nice and it's very versatile, which is why I thought it was a good purchase to make, because मुझे इतना luxury brands का शौक नहीं है. But I think if I was investing in pieces that could help me, I was just starting off with luxury, so I was just very mindful of where I was putting my money in, because spending so much money is a lot. Mainly these are the two things that I bought for myself for this birthday. Then on the 10th of March, I got another letter from Dolly and Kapil, and they wrote that we are back again, and today's agenda is to get you your princess treatment done, and my HBD gift was supposed to be done that day. And basically she, Kapil and Rahul decided to do this together so all of us could go and shop there. And my mom came on the same day in the morning and she's like, तुम लोगों को जो भी पसंद है तो इसको लेके दे दे, because इसको मेरी choice पसंद नहीं आती. So then my mom का भी we had a budget, my friends also had a budget, so everyone gave me a बड़ा सा budget, and then all of us went to the mall and we did a lot of shopping. And I'm just going to insert the clips so you know what all happened, how. Going for shopping. Dolly and Kapil have given me a card जिसमें I can spend 15,000 rupees. Let's go. Let's go. So I have a cumulative amount of 45,000 to spend. And I'm thinking that I want to buy gold heels and 2 bags, one black, one white, and We'll go to Zara also. Let's see. This one, no? I also like that one. This is your kind. I'm confused between which bag should I go for. This or this. Yeah, actually hair cute.
What are you buying?
I'm buying 2 bags. By couple and Dolly.
Show the bags.
Thank you.
Bags.
For me and Dolly. I'm couple with Dolly. For me and Dolly.
Fresh लेके आ रहा हूँ.
That's sweet Mika. Thank you, ma'am.
The purchase has been made. So I'm taking these heels and this bag as a collection. I'm confused if I want to take white heels with the white bag or no, but then there's a good offer, so I'm confused. Yeah, this is actually better. So many bags have been shopped from Aldo. Now cutting back to what exactly I bought. I basically wanted to upgrade my vanity as to what all I need for my shoots or for my events, the things that I don't have and I should invest in. Like personally, I love to have like matching bag or belt or bag or heels. So I wanted like a set of those for my birthday. That's exactly what I did. So I got this. So this is a beautiful gold color bag. Now it also comes with a sling and it's just such a pretty looking bag. I love it. It has like a big sling attached to it. By itself also, if I just hold it like this, it's such a nice piece. To match the gold bag, I got gold heels. Okay, the moment I wore these, they were so pretty and I love it. Like it's so fancy, like it's genuinely just so fancy and it looks so nice. Even if I'm wearing like jeans or anything, niche agar normally as it is, if I want to wear like basic heels, that's also fine. If I'm wearing a gown or like a dress or uske upar if I wear this, it's just going to look so classy and fun. This basically comes in a set. So it's not a set, but then because I was buying so many things from Aldo, they gave us like a great discount. So I got both of these things together for I think 18,000 rupees or 17,000 rupees. But it really looked very nice. And Rahul basically gave me this as my birthday gift. So it was perfect and he loved it and he was like, as long as you like your gift, it's fine. So we got this. Another thing that I saw and I really liked was this white bag. Now, before I show you the white bag, I'm going to show you the white heels. So I noticed that I didn't have like a good pair of white heels in my vanity. This is what I got as a gift from my mom. So she was like her budget I think was around like 10,000. So this came around for 7,000 discount on all करके सब पूरा हमें cumulative बहुत अच्छा discount दिया उन्होंने. But this is from my mom and it's so pretty and so simple. I can like style it up, style it down and I love it because I didn't have like white heels. So I really wanted these. And then to match the white heels, I needed a white bag. So if you're following me on my Instagram, you must know क्योंकि मैंने इसका 1-1.5 महीने पहले मैं ऑल्डो गई थी, तब मैंने 2 बैग्स डाले थे इन माई ब्रॉडकास्ट और आई थिंक ऑन माई स्टोरीज टू आस्क यू गाइज टू पिक बैग्स फॉर मी एंड everyone loved these 2 bags. The first one is the black bag and the other one is the white. I bought both of these. Both of these are gifts from Dolly and Kapil. So they were like, you can buy whatever you want. So I really like these 2 bags and I didn't have like a black bag with ye shiny gold detailing because golds maybe I had the safety pin bag that I use a lot, but that has muted matte like a copper gold finish and this has a very shiny sparkly kind of a gold finish and this is very glossy compared to that one and I really wanted this color bag as well, so I thought of buying this. It looks stunning. It has a gold chain as well and it also has a sling, so it's perfect. I can just take it wherever. Like a basic black belt is just a cult that you need in your vanity, and I wanted that. And this is the other bag that I got. It's so pretty and I really liked it because I didn't have like a white bag that looked like this or just a white bag in general. It also comes with a sling, but I think I'm just going to use it as it is because it's so pretty and just such a cute piece. It has the same gold detailing and you can just open it like this. I really like it. So both of these are from Kapil and Dolly. And then Karan was with us as well, and then Aditi joined us usi din shopping karne ke liye, and then both of them got me this. Now we went to Shoppers Stop, and the only thing that I didn't buy pure mere birthday mein was a perfume. So they were like, let's buy perfume. So this is what I got. It's Signoria. It's from Salvatore Ferragamo. It's in the fragrance Eleganza. I was confused between two. There were two different. There was one signature fragrance and there was this fragrance. This is very different from what I ever wear. I'm more of a vanilla, sweet, aqua, fresh, musky fragrance kind of a person. This is more fresh and it does not have as many vanilla notes, but it was very different and it was very long lasting. I really liked it, and सबको मैंने बहुत try करवाया अलग-अलग kinds of perfumes and they loved this one as well. They were like, try something else. So we got this, and of course whenever you shop from Shoppers Stop they give you so many extra things just like as complimentary. So they gave me this very cute rose gold pouch. I haven't opened it yet, and they gave me a lot of minis. So I love these tiny perfumes that they give. So whenever we go for these events or even if I'm traveling, मुझे full size या small size perfume carry करना इतना नहीं पसंद. So this comes very handy. So they gave me 2 Bulgari perfumes and these minis and then diesel perfume as well. So I have like a lot to travel with abhi recent times. So I love it. And I think the last piece of gift that I haven't opened yet is this. So my assistant Hetvi, she was so sweet. She got me this raat ko when everyone came back to wish me. 11th night. Oh, so it's from this brand called Ekam and it's a candle, and she knows like I'm a candle lover. I have candles all around the house, and every time she comes home she'll always light candles because she knows I love it so much. It just uplifts my mood, and this is her favorite candle. So she got this for me as a gift and she's like, I know you love it because she's been using this for years. So let's open it. Oh, it says that it's cedar and mint soy wax candle. Oh, it's very nice. It's like a spa wala fragrance that's very like relaxing and calming and soothing. It's the perfect candle whenever I'm just going to sleep or if I want to have like a very relaxed, chill Sunday. It's a Sunday candle and it smells so nice and I love it. And another thing that she did was that she drew for me. So she's a graphic designer and she made this beautiful, what do you call, like a sketch on her phone, and she sent that to me. That was actually the first thing that she showed me that she'd made, and it was so pretty. Okay, I'll add a picture of what she made for me, but it's so pretty and I loved that she put so much thought into my gift, and it just made me so happy because all of these gifts are beautiful and I'm just so grateful. But out of everything, I think the best gift for me, like it's a thing in my group that I love receiving letters, like handwritten letters. So as tradition, Kapil wrote me this beautiful letter. I literally रात को उसने मुझे नहीं दिया था 11th night because I love receiving letters on the 11th night when they come to wish so that I can read it and go to sleep. But he gave me on the other day, on the 12th night, I think he gave me my letter, and Rahul gave this to me on 11th night, and I have cried and I loved it because I just love letters in general. So I think they'll always be my favorite gift to receive from anybody. And then K-Beauty sent me flowers. I was so happy that a brand would send that to me, and just think so much. They sent like a very cute note and they also sent flowers, which was so sweet. After that, basically, we went to Westin for a staycation because Westin invited me for my birthday, and they were kind enough to give me the suite room, and it was beautiful. The experience was so nice. Itna beautiful property, you won't even feel like you are in Bombay. It feels something else, like you are facing the Powai Lake. You can see the sunrise, you can see the beautiful lake, and you can also spot crocodiles from your room. It's beautiful. And the food there, the breakfast buffet, the room, it was huge. We had like a 1 BHK. It was massive, and all of us were there. We were eating, chilling. It was so much fun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bradley. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ina almond also new. 45,000 इसलिए ना almond इसलिए.
It's almonds couple. 40 के करूँ मैं piece.
We went to party at night, and this is the only picture that I have of that night, which is so cute. I love this photo. I think it's a staple. Every single birthday party के time we have one photo, and then every year मैं वो collect कर रही हूँ. But that is pretty much it, what happened on my birthday, and these are all the gifts that I got, and I'm so grateful for the people that I have in my life, because everyone's extremely thoughtful and everyone's extremely loving and caring, and they always go out of their way to make me feel loved. And last but not the least, the amount of messages I have received from you guys for the birthday wishes, it was so overwhelming, and I was so happy because I've seen each and every message of yours. Maybe मैंने 60-70% को reply किया होगा, but if I missed yours, I'm so sorry, but thank you so much. I think it was one of the best birthdays that I had, because it was more of an adult birthday. We had a chill, relaxed vibe. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.